So this happened. Derek Bros, for years you have followed me around impersonating a fucking preacher out in the desert. You're CEO of fucking Microsoft, vice president of fucking Paramount Pictures, and more influential than your business partner Bill Gates. You have some people fooled, but you've been sending people to my home and bothering me and fucking really manipulating my life for 8 years, dude. Since I stepped down from fucking Senator Davis, all of a sudden you were following me around. Now, with your minions, like this one, your general. I owe you the biggest apology in the world. You're not going to believe me when I tell you Derek Bros is in Mexico because he tried to strangle his wife to death. He is also wanted by the feds for federal crime I can't discuss much at this time, but I couldn't sleep without fucking apologizing to you. She couldn't sleep without apologizing to me. That was a red flag. I knew that shit was going off. And then I told her to fuck off and showed everybody what was going on. She came back at me all pissy. I don't give a fuck because you know what, Derek? You forgot to mention the fact that you strangled your wife and beat her and ran to Mexico to get away from the fucking charges that follow you. And what I'm looking at is 229 fucking people that I'm going down your channel to and letting them know that you fucking beat your fucking wife and ran to Mexico and they're sitting here sucking your cock. You're a wife beater. And these ladies are over here patting you on the back, bro. Let me tell you something, Derek. That's not very good in my world. I don't care who you are. But you and I got a special fucking thing because I may have fucking uncovered your 1748 hertz and all your fucking secrets, but the secret's out of the bag, dude. You should have left me alone a couple years ago. Motherfucker, you've been making it personal this whole fucking year. You're done, bro. Fuck you, Global Witness. You're a fucking wife beater. You piece of fucking dirtbag shit.